Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharon Peteri and you guys can call me Sha. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if it's your first time, welcome to our channel. So I decided to do this dramatic eye look for Valentine's Day, maybe for your Valentine's Day. Guys, I'm in love with this look. No rambling, no mumbling, I just want to jump into this video and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So for my transition color, I'm going to start with this one. This is the makeup shayla. I actually like using this palette because I get to use the mirror as well.
This feeling you keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl. I want you to know
I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette from it's Crown, but it's from Muse, and it's sort of like a dupe for the Jacqueline or something. But I didn't buy that one because it was too expensive, and I'm gonna use this palette here.
I'm just saying, baby, you know I'm not them niggas, why you playing, baby? Come get this blessing, I've been praying, baby. Fuck all that friend shit, I'm trying to be your man, baby. But you been playing like shawty, all them other niggas, they was practice. Now let me put you in the game and change your status. You know what it is, y'all playing hard to get. When you come to your senses, girl, I'll still be here. I'll be here when you're done tripping, overthinking. I'll be sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl. I want you to know I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name. I wanna know why you keep tripping, tripping.
So I really want this small dot. I'm gonna get another palette, the blue palette. I'm gonna switch brushes now and I'm gonna use this one. I want this purple shade.
You know it's big enough, baby. I
don't like this one, it doesn't have any, so I'm gonna take the purple and
I'm gonna be your man, clearly. I'll be here when you're done tripping, overthinking.
I don't know if you guys can see the purple.
That's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl. I want you to know I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name.
This is color from
tripping on me. Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you. Come through, girl, I need to see you.
So basically you don't need all the colors that I used. I feel like if you had used something like this, yeah, which one am I saying? This one, and then jump into a dark pink or a purple, it would actually give you this. I just thought the other colors would do this, but they didn't, so I had to switch up. So like again, for the blues, I think I have 3 blues that I want to try out. So I have these 2 blues here.
You put your feelings on safety.
And I also have a blue from this Fashion palette.
Too many niggas done had their ways.
I'm gonna start with this.
You just wanna be friends, them niggas ain't
This
me.
one.
You got a whole lot of love, girl, don't you waste it. I wanna build it back up, don't wanna break it. Girl, I've been wishing for you, my chance I'll take it. Girl, I know what you've been through, so I'll be right here, yeah. I'll be here when you're done tripping, overthinking. I'll be sipping,
I think it's called Luna.
this feeling you keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl. I want you to know I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name.
This is more like a purplish. So I still have this fresh water, also from NYX.
Come tell me why you tripping on me, yeah.
And it's like this.
Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you, I need to see you. I'm just saying, baby, you know I'm not them niggas, why you playing, baby? Come get this blessing.
I don't know, I think I like the first one.
I'm trying to be your
I
man,
really
baby.
like this
But
one.
you been playing lately. Shawty, all them other niggas, they was practice. And let me put you in the game and change your status. You know what it is, y'all playing hard to get. When you come to your senses, girl, I'll still be here. I'll
So
be
this
here
one
when
I'm
you're
not
done
blending
tripping,
into
overthinking. I'll be
into my
sipping,
crease.
that's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping.
I'm gonna blend that again with the purple shade. So I just want to be a transition. I'm taking the brown color.
Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you.
This brown color.
Come through, girl, I need to see you. Shawty, why you playing? Shawty, why you playing? Come get this love, baby.
So I was going to put lashes, but I decided to add some glitter, and I used this NYX. Please focus, NYX glitter primer, and this is the glitter that I use. There's so much drama happening on my eyes. I'm gonna line with this NYX. The whole but for glitter, I prefer using a liner. I'm not going to do a wing liner. I'm just going to darken this bottom part. And I'm gonna put on my lashes. I do have a video coming up for you guys where I'm gonna show you how to put your lashes in a very quick manner. For me, it's my lashes are a mess, so I'll post it very soon, guys. Please be patient. I had to re-record 2 times because the other clip didn't come off right.
You put your feelings on safety, so you don't go wasting all your energy. Cause too many niggas done had they ways.
I actually thought I didn't press
just wanna be friends, them niggas ain't.
because I do it quite a lot of times, and then the next thing I don't have it. So I'm gonna quickly put on this lashes and I'll be back. So I'm back. I'm gonna take my NYX. This is in the shade Deep Ridge. It's actually very dark. Maybelline Baby. You to know I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name. I wanna know why you keep tripping on me. Come through, girl, I need to see you. Come tell me why you tripping on me, yeah. Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you, I need to see you. I'm just saying, baby, you know I'm not them niggas, why you playing, baby? Come get this blessing, and I haven't been for orange undertone because some foundations look neutral when you put them on, but after a few hours they turn orange. So I rather look orange now, and then after a few hours I am completing my skin tone. It looks like skin. A few minutes later it looks like skin. I'm just gonna add it. I think £1.
I want you to know I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name. I wanna know why you keep tripping on me. Come through.
So when I have smoky eyes, I love highlighting my under eye. I love lighter. I don't know, it just brightens my face.
Come get this love, baby. Trip. You know it's big enough, baby. Sit back, and I can make you fall in love, baby. But you keep playing with me, I'm gonna be your man, clearly. I'll be here when you're done tripping. I'm thinking I'll be sipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl.
What am I doing?
I want you to know I
I have to go somewhere that I'm here playing with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out, but I feel like it's not ready to blend out. I wait for this. Okay, I might as well just contour. I'm using the Signature Dark Roast stick. I think it's a foundation stick. Might as well just contour.
You put your feelings on safety.
There we go.
So you don't go wasting all your energy. Cause too many niggas done had their way say. You just wanna be friends, them niggas ain't me. You got a whole lot of love, girl, don't you waste it. I wanna build it back up, no wanna break.
These YouTubers be like,
I've been wishing for you,
if I blow up here, I promise you he's gonna mess up the camera.
I'll be here when you're done tripping.
So I'm gonna take it out back.
This feeling you keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl.
Like with the Sacha buttercup, it goes a long way. So you don't want to.
I really wanna change your name. I wanna know why you keep tripping, tripping on me. Come through, girl, I need to see you. Come tell me why you tripping on me, yeah. Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you, I need to see you. I'm just saying, baby, you know I'm not them niggas, why you playing, baby? Come get this blessing, I've been praying, baby. Fuck all that friend shit, I'm trying to be your man, baby. But you been playing lately. Shawty, all them other niggas, they was practice. Now let me put you in the game and change your status. You know what it is, y'all playing hard to get. When you come to your senses, girl, I still be here. I'll be here when you're done tripping, overthinking. I'll be sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl. I want you to know I really wanna take you there.
This is the
I
signature
really
brush.
wanna change your name. I wanna know why you keep tripping, tripping on me. Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you. Come through, girl, I need to see you. Shawty, why you playing? Shawty, why you playing? Come get
I
this
actually
love,
felt
baby.
like going one
Trip. You know it's big enough, baby. Send a pic and I can make you fall in love, baby. But you keep playing with me, I'm gonna be your man, clearly. I'll be here when you're done tripping, overthinking. I'll be sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl. I want you to know I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name. I wanna know why you keep tripping on me. Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you. Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you. Yeah.
And for blush, I'm gonna go in with my favorite NYX Stubborn. I think it's my favorite. Yeah, it is. I like this. It comes through for me like every time. I think my blushes are just fantastic. But I did see an LA girl blush that I wanna try.
You put your feelings on safety,
Makeup can never be
so
enough.
you don't go wasting all your energy. Cause too many niggas done had their way say. Just wanna be
Highlighter, I'm gonna use
friends,
the
them niggas
Photoshop.
ain't me. You got a whole lot of love, girl, don't you waste it. I wanna build it back up, don't wanna break it.
With the
Girl, I've been wishing for you, my chance I'll
NYX
take it. Girl, I know what you've
Dewy
been through,
finish.
so I'll be right here, yeah. I'll be here when you're done tripping, overthinking.
Sometimes I like
I'll
going with
be
my sponge.
sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl. I want you to know I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name. I wanna know why you keep tripping on me. Come through, girl, I need to see you. Come tell me why you tripping on me, yeah. Come
I love the
through,
sleeves
girl, I
at
need
the
to see you. I need to see you, I need to see you. I'm just saying, baby, you know I'm not them niggas, why you playing, baby? Come get this blessing, I've been praying, baby. Fuck all that friend shit, I'm trying to be your man, baby. But you been playing lately. Shawty, all them other niggas, they was practice. Now let me put you in the game and change your status. You know what it is, y'all playing hard to get. When you come to your senses, girl, I still be here. I'll be here when you're done tripping, overthinking. I'll be sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl. I want you to know I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name.
lining your lips do so much too. Does so much to your lipstick. It does a lot. You can mark it the brown and
I can make you fall in love, baby. But you keep playing with me, I'm gonna be your man, clearly. I'll be here when you're done tripping, overthinking, I'll be sipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl. I want you to know I really wanna take you there.
So I'm gonna take the NYX. One of my favorite ladies.
Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you. Yeah.
It goes with anything. Okay. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry because it dries differently.
You put your feelings on safety, so you don't go wasting
What
all
did I
your
do?
energy. Cause too many
Mascara.
niggas done had their way say,
I
just
need
wanna
mascara.
be friends, the niggas ain't me. You got a whole lot of love, girl, don't you waste it. I wanna build it back up, don't wanna break it. Girl, I've been wishing for you, my chance, I'll take it. Girl, I know what you've been through, so I'll be right here, yeah. I'll be here when you're done tripping, overthinking, I'll be sipping, that's how.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in my next one and I love you so much. Bye.
I want you to know I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name. I wanna know why you keep tripping on me. Come through, girl, I need to see you. Come tell me why you tripping on me, yeah. Come